Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a wireless HD display adapter. We're gonna go ahead and give this thing a try and see what it is and how it works. Oops, I dropped the instructions. But okay, so here we go. It comes with a USB to USB-C, I'm guessing for power, and an HDMI extender, I'm guessing to connect it up. So this is the device here. Looks like it's got some covers over the ports. There we go. And there, I don't know if people like to see that tape come off. Okay, so here we go. So this is it here. It's just a simple little thing. Looks like a Fire Stick kind of device. You could plug in the extender here. I guess I'll go ahead and use it anyways, even though my TV has an easy to access connector. And then here is the USB-C, what it's going to use for power. I guess this is going to be some sort of a display as well. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see what happens. Oh, it's got a little thing on there. It says connected. Okay. Okay, so I plugged the device into my TV and we'll see what happens here. It says wireless screen sharing device. What do we need to do? Hardware installation, Apple iOS. Open the mobile Wi-Fi, select the network, and insert that. So let's go ahead and say settings, Wi-Fi. Okay, it says select the network and enter the password. I don't know what the password is. Okay, 1 sec, let me get the password. I'll be right back. Okay, I made a mistake in that I didn't have the HDMI plugged in all the way. Okay, so now we're plugged in all the way and we can do all these different things here. It's a screen mirroring. We can connect up and do screen mirroring with that, with this, all these different things here we can do, or I think we can even do just from like YouTube or something like that. Let me see if I go to, I think I can just do it with screen mirroring directly. Let's see, if I go to screen mirroring, there is something called Tutu Link something. Let's see what happens if I do that. It's weird, it's called Apple TV. So I guess I'm gonna have to connect up to their network, click on the screen mirroring, and then do it with that way there. So I guess that's gonna be what I have to do. And the SSID is whatever you set it to, and the password is gonna be 123456778. So just easy password for that one there. So there you go. And so that'll do it. And I just, I'm not connected up yet here. I can probably do it here real quickly. Settings. Okay, let me connect up my Wi-Fi. Sorry, you can't watch me do that. But then, what do you do? Screen mirroring. Let me see. I don't know where it is. I would have to find the screen mirroring. I'm not exactly sure where it is on my iPad. Oh, there. Screen mirroring. And I can choose the device. Tutu Link. But I'll figure it out. But this is kind of how it all works, so it should work pretty straightforward, and it shows up as an Apple TV device on the Mac OS and iOS, so it should be pretty simple and straightforward. I'm just not connected on the same network and I have different security settings going, but you get the idea. Works pretty cool. Thanks.